Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on moderation, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So then you come here to Discourage app from showing my account to log it out to users. Click in this sign or this color. So when you just click on it here, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.